How to get bank statement on Capitec app. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To get access to your bank statement, follow this step. So you can easily request an electronic statement to be emailed to you via your Capitec application. In order to do so, you have to open up your Capitec app and log in. You can locate the account you want the statement for, either it is savings or credit card. At the top, you should see the More button, that is the three dot that will be in your top right corner of your screen. Select Email Statement. You will get to choose the desired date range for your statement. Capitec offers options like the last 30 days, 90 days, or a custom range. Enter the email address where you want to receive the statement. Confirm the request with your secret remote PIN. Your bank statement will be emailed to you within a few hours in a PDF format with an electronic bank stamp. However, you will not be able to download your bank statement directly within the app. So you can easily email it, download the PDF format, and print it out later. Wasn't it simple? We hope that this video was informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.